Okay, we get back on this Charlynn motor. We got the kit in. Okay, so now I'm going to prep this and I'm going to put this in the wash tank. Okay, we're going to throw all these old seals away. I'll just show you here how we get it. And all the little parts, let's put them in this for the wash tank. Okay, remember you got the 2 pins, don't lose that. The 2 springs. Okay, you got the 2 dog bones. We're going to put those in there. Got some of the valve plates here. Take out your Teflon rod there, your bearings. Okay, there's one there. And then we're going to take this out, check in here, take all the seals out. Okay, use your lowbrow pick, pull all the seals out. Okay, we're going to get that one out, get this one out, and then we're going to put this, you got a little bearing in here, Teflon bearing, get that out. Okay, get this here. Okay, this is all going to go on the washer. Let me pop these seals out. You're going to use a screwdriver to get this, there's your, now what happened there, the can didn't come with it, so I need to knock that can out. Let me put it in the vise. You're going to get the seal out, the can out, and then you're going to get the shaft seal out. Usually a thin screwdriver is how you pop this out. Okay, that one came out. Okay, so this is what the shaft seal looks like. You got a little brass backup and then the shaft seal, just toss that. Okay, comes out of there, you can see down in there. Okay, then I'm going to take my little air tool and just clean some of the rust off a bit. It's full of water. Okay, so then I'm going to go over to the lathe and I'm going to polish this on the lathe before I throw all this in the parts washer. Okay, we'll get it ready to reseal, and I'll do another one. Here's other. Don't forget your gear. Make sure you send that back to them. Okay, let me go over here quickly, and I'll just shoot it. I'm just going to run over to the lathe over there, and I'm going to polish this out. Okay, give me a second here. And we do this before we stick it in the parts washer. We'll run it for about 30 minutes or so, and that will clean all the stuff up, and then it'll be real clean for when we go into assembly. If you're going to do hydraulics, you need the machine shop to support it. Otherwise, it'll be a half-ass. It's hard to do this business without, but we're going to use a piece of Scotch-Brite and just polish that seal area. Make sure there's no grooves in it. Okay? Come over and show you what this looks like. Okay, you can see how I made that real clean. It looks good. I like to do that before I wash them out and get all this out. So I'm going to carry this over to the parts washer, and then I'll show you that, how we get it prepped to reseal it. Let's take this over here and just put that right in there. I'm going to set all this in here. If you don't have a parts washer like this, you know, you can flush it out inside of a solvent tank and do it that way too. But I like to do this. It makes it real clean, blow it off, and then when you assemble it, clear your table off and you make sure you don't make any mistakes. So you get all this in here. Push it in. Let that run for about 30 minutes. And it'll be hot, let it cool down, and then we'll be ready to reseal it, and I'll show you how to time it, and then we'll do a test. Stand by for the next one.